Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how easy it is to set up test cases for your SAP PI PO system with Figaf IRT Integration Regression Tool 2.0. So you can find it at figaf.com/IRT, and here you'll be able to download it and start using it on your own system. But let me show you how it works. So here we have downloaded the file. This is so we have first deployed a SCA file on your PI system, and then we have downloaded this jar file, and you simply just run it with java jar and then the name of the file, and this will start up the application. This will take a few seconds. Figure out how to start it and all these different parameters regarding this setting. So once it is started up, you can log on to localhost 8089/IRT, and here the first thing you need to do is to go into configuration, go and create a new agent. You simply just say like add, then you fill in the name of the system ID, the platform, a username and password. There's in the quick start guide there's specific requirements what the user minimum needs. The host, GMS host, which normally is the same. Otherwise you can find this information in here, where you can find the name of the host, and I think this is the host name. So if there's multiple different instances, you may be able to see it here. And the port, we have the option of using email. That's not enabled in the current release, but it will be there soon. And then you select this is our default test system. This is where it would normally run tests on. And we say save, and then you can just select the agent, run test configuration. This will test the message and verify that everything looks okay. Next up is you will go into integration objects. You will press synchronize, and synchronize will fetch all data from the directory, and we want to do a test on a scenario called multi. We'll select these. We'll create recording. We can create a new set of recordings we'll be placing together. So we'll call this video 2, and we'll open page after creation. We want to record 3 from each of them. We can override properties down here, and if we have specific message information, like this is a technical message for a HR system, we can put this into this one. Or we can put partner information if we have information about which partner this is. So this is okay. We just say save, and we have then created our recording. So this is a set of recordings we want to do, and we can see here number 4 we are missing to add the modules on this one. So we simply select all and then start the recording. This will add modules in the beginning and end of the processing chain, and send a message to the component we have added on your PI system that says for the next 3 messages that are being processed on this interface, do a recording. And then it's just sit back and wait. So we can see we now got some messages on number 4. And now we got enough messages on all of them. We could have waited and say, okay, we just want to take one of these instead. But now we can take all of them. We will select all of them. We would then create test cases from this, and we want to recreate 3 test cases for each. Then when we look at the linked test cases, we can see we got 3 here. And if we go to last result, we can run all of these tests at one time. So it will send all 9 messages to the PI system, and we'll start processing these. And I'll have a look at this one, so we can view the test case here. We can see information about what is being tested, what are the target objects here. We can view the messages and the expected results, so we can go in here and edit all of these elements. What are the dynamic attributes and stuff like that for this case. And we can view the tests that has been run. We can see it now ends in an error. So if we look at this, we can view the result. And if we open one of these, we can view the differences. That why is it finding any difference here? So we can see there's a difference on the date, and we know this is okay. So we just say yes, and we close. We go one back. We can then run this again. Then this will schedule another job, and it will wait until a specific period of time. I think it's every 30 seconds. It will start processing messages and send them in again. So now messages has been sent and received, and now we're waiting for another batch job that would then compare these messages. So now we can see we're getting a success on this recording. If we go back, we can view our testing templates here. So we got this one right here. We can run everything again. So this will run all the different tests that we have on this. We can view our history here. So we can see that some of these is unfinished. So what we can see now is we're getting two successful and one failed test cases for this. So it becomes better, and we can then drill in and see what the result is here. We can also download the template or the Excel report here that says we ran this 3 test cases. These are the messages that we have sent. These are the errors that we have received, and we can then go in and see what are the different errors that we received, and figure out what to how to deal with these things in this way. So I hope that this is something that will help you. Go to figaf.com/IRT, and here you'll be able to see a little about what we're doing. Download the tool up here, view a demo of what it does, and you can see the different versions that we have. So we have one that stands out as free, and we have some more qualified testing scenarios. So it's all about what you want to achieve with this, and how much you want to test with this. So this was all for now. I hope this is interesting. So go to figaf.com and start download this and try it out on your own system.